We have made it to the most videoed and photographed obstacle here on Sidewinder. So you're gonna come through here, make a little bit of a left, head down the hill here, and then you're gonna cut around and go through here. There is a bypass for those who don't want to deal with the pucker factor.
Straighten it out as you come up. Straight, straight. There you go. Right there. All right, you're gonna start going down. Just go slow. Just go slow. Slow. As you come down, just slight passenger. Slight passenger. There you go, right there. Straighten it out just a bit. Just let it roll. There you go. Come passenger now. As you come down, just slight passenger. There you go. Full passenger. Crawl it. There you go. That's it. Woo! There you go. Just keep it passenger. You're good. You're good. Got a good flex. You're good. Straighten it out just a bit, yep. All right, come back passenger. That's it, you're out. You're out. Fucking good shit. Right there. Is he? That's a better spot. Yeah. I think Matt's gonna go. Are you gonna go up it, Matt? Straighten your wheels. Right there. Driver just a bit. There you go. Right there.
Oh yes. I think we found the extra credit line. The extra credit line. This looks awesome. This looks cool. So we got some tracks here. Looks like you can kind of get up on the wall here and kind of ride through here in this notch. So you're gonna take passenger side up this, right here?
Yeah, we won't pass it.
But without a rear locker, you're gonna be fighting it. This is gonna help. This is probably the easier side if you only have one locker. I mean, shit, give it a try, see what happens. Great line from back here. Hey, your rear locker's working.
Is it?
Yeah. That's crazy. It's totally working. What the frick happened to your damn locker, man? That's wild. Yeah, you're on your belly. You're on your belly. Just a little bit. Now your locker's not working. Yeah. Your rear end shifted about a foot to the passenger side. No locker in the rear.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to happen without the locker. Well, it's intermittent, that's the weird thing. Yeah, I think I felt it. I think when there's a lot of pressure on it, it's not worth it. Yeah. Guys, you back it up, just have to go. Yeah, back straight down. Yes.
Yeah.
You're good. There's a huge boulder you can see behind you, about 12 feet. Yeah, keep it just like that. You come down.
Yep. You know what? I got a new. We're gonna replace Mojave because I nicknamed your Jeep Bad Influence.
I love it. I love it. So is your goal right here? I think so. All right. We'll see how big it is. We'll just start turning into it. Just skim that rock. You're good. Come back. There you go. There you go. Any pedal. Turn them on. Go past the there you go. Little bite. There you go. There you go. Keep going.
Wow. Dude, you barely touched that bumper at all, man. Driver, driver. U-joint?
No, that's a ball joint.
Oh shit. So it doesn't look obviously broken. So you might still be able to drive on them. I'm not sure. But I know you put them in, so you'll know better than I do. Hey man, A for effort. A for effort, baby. Woo! All right, so we have a snatch block to the tree up there. There you go, there you go. Shafts.
Hold on, hold it.
Easy, easy.
I want to keep tension on this. Hold it. Let me pull it down. Hold. All right, stop. We're good? Yeah.
Blakey,
What's up, buddy?
what's the verdict, man?
Well, you see,
What do we think? Is it actually broken, or is it just squirting grease?
Look right here. It looks like it's not connected up there.
Okay.
This is firm.
Yeah.
This moves, of course.
Oops.
But this is firm.
Okay.
I don't know if I like how it looks up there.
Yeah.
It may have broken up there.
All right, so not only do we have busted ball joints here, but Steven, what's the story here, Sadowski? We got a
track bar bracket.
track bar bracket from the rear, right? Is that where, I think?
Yeah, it hooks up to the factory one, and the factory one's going on.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can't see shit back here.
It's up here.
Oh, I see.
The bottom one.
Yeah, okay. Because Steve Allen did grace us with his presence today, he also remembered to bring a trail welder. A trail welder, huh?
Made in Voyage.
Oh, it has a feeder. Okay. So
The wire goes in there?
Feeds the wire in there. That's cool.
Just somebody that knows how to weld.
I couldn't remember. It's
Dude.
the exact same
Same
one. They
thing.
just hack off the end.
I got it for these
There's still
specific reasons.
there's like a tube
After
inside
my
that lines
track
up,
bar
like,
bracket broke,
everything, too.
and I was stuck finding somebody up in Big Bear who
Hey.
actually only charged me $100.
We have to have this on Fordyce.
Oh.
Okay, so for a secondary battery, will a deep cycle battery work? Okay, so I'll bring my deep cycle battery with us on Fordyce.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up.
Well, the Gobi one is welded up and ready to drive home and we think the Mojave can drive too. So, well, that concludes another great day out on the trails. Not sure that Corral Canyon is our favorite place to go anymore. It's fun, but we break a lot of shit here, so let's maybe not come back here again anytime soon. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.